First things first, this tiny guy over here. I might not even need to cut anything. Might come out, whoops, swinging. All right, check this guy out. All right, nice little guy right here with a D2 blade. I am very curious to know what this is. All right, a little bit of a screen looking like. Is this glow in the dark? That is definitely what that looks like. Looks like glow in the dark material there. It is a nice thumb opener action. And yeah, without further ado, all blacked out, D2 blade. Yeah, let's see what this guy has. Boom. Okay, check this little guy out. I'm not sure on the name on this guy. I'm definitely going to put it in the comments. Let me give it a nice little wipe right here. And yeah, I got the old mortared out black looking G10 handle for sure. And that's what this feels like. And black coated D2 blade. It is a nice drop point shape going on. Looks like a flat grind, if not a hollow grind. And it is a liner lock. Very, very drop shotty. All right, check this out. Whoa. Okay, this is a smaller knife, right? A little bit more like Civivi Elementum type of knife. Yeah, let's do a quick size comparison here with the Civivi Elementum next to it. Civivi Elementum might be, honestly, they are pretty much evenly matched. Civivi Elementum might be a hair longer. Check out the Kershaw leak right here. So definitely a contender for, you know, about the same medium to small knife size. So that's pretty neat right there. And the other thing that I did confirm just now is I looked at the, you know, this little green accent right here on both sides. Actually, just getting on one side only right there. And this little screen right here, this is glow in the dark. So you can charge this up with your flashlight and you can see it in the dark and there's some glowing going on. Obviously, this is not going to do it justice, but you get the idea. Nice deep pocket carry clip and a very elegant uniform straight down design. The action is really good. Good on the deployment. This guy is definitely on ball bearings because look at that drop shotty action right there. So yes, I have to look into this brand. It sort of has like a Rhino logo. I would put the brand right here on the screen if I haven't already done so. But right off the bat, pretty impressed. I'm going to use this knife to crack open this next one. This one looks like a fixed blade, if you will. The first knife we looked at right here, this little guy, nice and slicey, easy to carry, small factor. Then we looked at this nice fixed blade, right, with sheath and everything. That's pretty cool. And keep in mind, guys, I'll be dropping reviews for each one of these. The Osher Nice liner lock right here was the third one that we looked at. Then we looked at this guy. We still gotta get a feel for it, but I promise you I'll get the hang of it. And last but not least, check this guy out. Boom. There you have it, guys. Got some wonderful, amazing unboxing for you all today. Really, I'm speechless right now. Don't know what to say. It's quite a lot of knives that I'm gonna be EDCing here over the next week or two. Honestly, I may not even have that much time because typically the cycle is that, you know, we borrow the knives for about a week and then we have to send them to the next person on the pass around. But I'm going to try to EDC them like crazy over this next week because there's just so much here. So much to take in right now. I don't even know where to start. So of course, this is a unboxing experience, right? First impression. You guys saw what my reaction is out of the box. It will be very unfair to call this a review since obviously I need to spend some time EDCing these knives, experiencing them myself so I can gather some feedback to share with you all. So if you aren't already subscribed, this will be an awesome time to subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button while you're at it because why not? It helps the channel grow and it helps this video reach a larger audience. On the way out, if you want to help out the channel a step further, you can do so over on Patreon for as little as $1 a month. If you made it to the very end, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you all so much for all your support. Chances are the review for the Civivi Sentinel Strike is going to be ready to go. If that's the case, I'm going to put a card right here for you guys to check out that video next. You guys take good care of yourself. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.